Hey everyone, it's Anthony here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to apply Aquapel on your Ram 1500. Aquapel is a pretty cool product where once you put it on your windshield, it chemically bonds with your actual glass, creating a hydrophobic and protective layer where water beads off easily. It'll be easier to clean bird poop, bug splatter, you name it, and rain will just fly off the window when you're driving. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to clean and apply. I'll be showing you guys two different methods. One is the manufacturer's recommended method, and the second one is what detailers are using, so you can choose for yourself which one you want to do. First step, we're going to use some Dawn soap, which will eliminate all the existing oil and dirt and bugs that's on the windshield. Next, we're going to lift up both the windshield wipers. Next, we're going to do a rinse. Now after we've rinsed it off, we're going to make sure we wash the whole windshield properly. Make sure you don't leave any tree sap, bird poop, or dead bugs, anything that can affect the finished product. Remember, the prep work is the most important in this case. Next up, we're going to grab a piece of clay bar. I'm going to rip what we need. Got our piece right here. Next, we're going to use the Dawn soap as lubricant. We're going to keep lubricating it while we are removing all the contaminants from the windshield. So now we're going to go ahead and clay bar the whole windshield. You can use a razor blade as well to scrape it. Make sure it's lubricated or else you're going to scratch your glass. Or you can use the synthetic clay mitts where it does the same thing but it's reusable. Take your time with this process, as you want to make sure it's a pristine mating surface for the actual product itself. The product itself, it's super easy to apply, you just wipe it on. This is the time consuming part where you should spend most of your efforts on, as this will reflect in the finished product when you're driving around, when you're looking out the window, and when it's actually repelling water. So after you're finished cleaning it and clay barring it, this is how your window should look. There should be no beading effect, like this. It should run down like a sheet of water, just like so. That's when you know you've done a correct. So after you guys have washed it down with the Dawn soap and clay barred the whole windshield, what you want to do next is dry it off, which we've done so. And if it's still really dirty, or if you want to go an extra step, you can wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol for the whole application area. I'm not going to do so because this is a brand new windshield. So now I'm going to show you guys how to apply the Aquapel. The prep work is the most important part, so make sure you clean it thoroughly. Now that you're ready to apply the Aquapel, you want to grab your package. Then we're going to break the capsule by pressing the two fins together. Once you hear a crunch, it is now soaked and it's ready to apply. We're going to do a vertical motion, followed up with a horizontal. As you guys can see, all you got to do is wipe the product up and down on your windshield and left and right. You can do it in whatever order if you want. If you want to start with horizontal first and finish with the vertical motion, doesn't matter. Don't think too much. It's actually very straightforward and forgiving. You can take your time, do your whole windshield, and then wipe it off after without rushing it. As you guys can see here in real time, I'm taking my time. It's not dry. It won't just dry off as you're applying. As you can see, it's a very forgiving product. Even anyone at home can do this. You don't have to take it to a professional or anything. I'm going to show you guys in real time while I do the other side that this side is not just going to dry off. Just for your reference, so you can know what to expect when it's time to apply it on your own windshield. So after you're done applying the Aquapel on both sides of your windshield, what you want to do is wipe off the excess with a paper towel or something that's lint free. You don't have to scrub it till it's completely dry. Just wipe off the excess and the rest will cure without any hazing. After you're done wiping down the whole window, it should look something like this. Super smooth. No hazing at all. I'll show you guys what it looks like after it dries. If you have a little bit of excess, you can leave some on your rear backup camera so to keep it clean. So when you guys are cracking over the Aquapel, make sure it's horizontal when you crack it, not tilted like mine. When I cracked it over to show you guys, it dripped a little bit on the bottom of the windshield, which can't be seen, but you'll have drip marks if you put excess on your window. Rest of the project looks good, no hazing. So the windshield, when we wiped it off right after, it dried off perfectly. Now it's completely clear. It's going to take 2 to 4 hours for it to fully cure. On the side here, I tried another method. I saw a video where they taught you how to apply it without wiping it all off completely. Just a light removal of the excess and let the rest dry off naturally. And this is what it looks like. No hazing at all as well. I tried it on both surfaces. As you can see, there's no hazing. These two, this window and that side mirror, I didn't wipe it off completely like I did on the windshield. I just did a light removal and it still dried off clear. So just FYI, whichever method you want to do, whether you want to wipe it off completely like we have over there, if you're scared for it to haze, or you want to just wipe off the excess and let it dry, they will both come out the same. It's up to you which method you want to do. This is how the window looks from the inside out. Once the coating is applied, it's crystal clear. Even the side windows I've applied. No more water spots or tree sap. It's crystal clear. So now that it's been a couple days, that's what the outside looks like. There's no hazing at all throughout the windshield. It's perfectly clear. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on how to apply the Aquapel coating, whether it's method 1 or 2. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and hope you have a wonderful day.